It was the presentation of the main Mercedes-Benz CLS-class 13 years prior that vaulted the expression four-entryway roadster into our aggregate vocabulary. Regardless, that auto's arcing rooftop and shoulder line gave it the presence of an exquisite four-wheeled airfoil, yet one somewhat softened at each end. At that point the second-age auto touched base for 2012 with a comparative roofline, yet a brutalist, squared-up back that couldn't coordinate the first auto's fragile stylish stream. Presently the third-age CLS-class has arrived. It has the now signature arched rooftop, recaptures a prettier tail, and has a brutalist front end that looks furious about something. We don't know why Mercedes continues playing hot potato with styling experimentation from one end of the CLS to the next, yet at any rate this most recent model by can leave spectators speechless. There is a hammerhead shark swimming through the front-end plan, with the headlights inclined internal and gruffly surrounding the low, wide grille. The impact isn't not at all like that of Mercedes-AMG's GT Sports Auto, albeit here the grille inclines forward more forcefully. The auto's tail has been lifted and smoothed, and it is decorated by jolly trapezoidal taillights. As previously, the swoopy four-entryway depends on the standard E-Class car. The two offer their 115.7-inch wheelbase, yet the CLS is lower, more extensive, and more. Where the 2019 CLS softens new ground is up its daringly etched inside in the all-new Inline 6 motor that, in any event until further notice, isn't imparted to the E-Class. Gracious, and it's likewise a crossbreed. The powertrain comprises of Mercedes-Benz's new turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6, a 48-volt electrical framework, and an electric engine sandwiched between the motor and transmission. These parts consolidate to create 362 strength and 364 pounds-feet of torque. Despite the fact that the electric engine can heap on an extra 21 stallions and 184 pounds-ft amid brief lift periods. The electric engine additionally is fit for driving the CLS alone, in short spurts, and it upgrades motor stop-begin capacity. Generally, it's a significant change from the past model's all-V8 lineup. This speaks to the American market's first brush with the hybridized inline 6, a setup that is required to multiply all through Mercedes-Benz's lineup and supplant the twin turbocharged V6 motors accessible in everything from the C-Class up to the S-Class. For the CLS, the motor gains the 450 identification. Non-AMG CLS models are along these lines initiated with a CLS 450 name. Purchasers can pick between race-wheel drive or 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and each CLS 450 will have a 9-speed programmed transmission.